Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're making bacon and pecan cheese log. So the ingredients for this delicious party snack is as follows. 5 slices of shortcut bacon, or any sort of bacon. 3/4 of a cup of chives. I use dried chives. 225 grams or 8 ounces of cream cheese. Hopefully you've made it yourself. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Half a teaspoon of ground pepper. 1 teaspoon of Tabasco sauce. Half a cup of pecan nuts or pecan nuts, finely chopped, and 1 cup of grated cheddar. So pan fry the bacon until it's all crispy, and then drain on a paper towel. Once it's fairly drained, then we crumble up the bacon and we finely chop it. Excellent chopping skills. There we go, lovely, nice and small. That's about the size you need. Now divide that in half because we're only going to use half for the first bit. So into a mixing bowl we're going to add the cream cheese. And then just soften that up using a spoon. And then we're going to add in the garlic powder. I didn't put enough, so I just put a bit more in. There we go. And now we're going to add in salt. I thought about using a teaspoon, but I just used the grinder or the mill. And then we're going to add the pepper. Now you can taste it at the end before we roll it into a log to see if it's seasoned well enough. But I think that was about enough. Now we're going to add in the Tabasco sauce. This is pretty hot stuff. I'm using a full teaspoon to give it a bit of flavour. Now you can use less or you can use more if you like. That'll do, throw that in there. Now I'm going to add in the grated cheese. Now you can make it yourself, I just use packet cheese. And then add the half a cup of chives. Now I use dried chives. You can use fresh chives as well. So I'm using half of the chives. We're using half the bacon as well. Pop that into the bowl. Now stir that through to combine. That may take you a little bit of time. Maybe I should have used a bigger spoon, but it seemed to be okay. That looks pretty good. There we go. So place a long piece of plastic wrap and place the cheese on top of it, and then we're going to roll it into a log. There we go. So just fold the wrap over and then just roll it into a log shape. Just patting the ends firmly. And it took a few minutes, but it formed up okay. And didn't fall apart when I pulled it out. There we go. Lovely. Now you can leave it in the plastic and put it in the fridge to firm up if you want, but I proceeded straight to this next step where we roll the cheese log in the remaining bacon, chives and the pecans. There we go. Now don't forget the ends, like I just did then, and then I came back to that. There we go. So just make sure it's fully covered in the mixture. Beautiful, so place it into the fridge for an hour to firm up now. And then you can serve it with crackers. It is delicious, a great little entertainer cheese log that you can make for your friends and family for next time you get together. It tasted amazing. Great texture, nice crunch on the bacon as well, and the crackers were fantastic with it as well. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. Check out some more of my videos, and don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.